Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. We should have like a little theme song for Makeup Monday. If you guys think of one, let me know. I don't sing at all. I mean, I sing, but I sound like somebody strangling a cat. That is literally me singing. So today's video for Makeup Monday, I am so excited. You guys have been flooding my DMs and my Snapchats asking me to review, do a tutorial, and all that fun stuff with the brand new Morphe palette. This is the Such a Gem 39S. I ordered mine, I think a few days later after it released. And believe it or not, I actually wasn't going to buy it because I was like, I promised myself that I was on a no buy binge with palettes just because I own so many. But I was like, who am I kidding? I have an obsession with palettes. I have a sick relationship with palettes. So this is the palettes. It is absolutely stunning, you guys. And we're going to dive into her. We're going to see if she is pretty, if she is worth it, if she is worth the price tag and all that good stuff. I don't think I have any updates for you guys. So let's jump straight on to this review / tutorial. It is Sunday, fun day. Cheers. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, y pa dentro. So actually, I asked you guys to send me, like, what's it called? Inspiration pictures on Instagram. And a few of you sent me some really cute pictures. Maybe next Monday I can do like a three look in one type of video. I've never done anything like that, but now I have a little bit more time in my hands. Summer is here, which means my daughter is out of school, and so that does give me a little bit more of an open window to film a little bit longer. This is one of the looks that you guys sent me, and I am going to try and recreate this as best as I can. I pulled up the Morphe website just to give you guys a little more info. This is, like I said, the 39S Such a Gem Artistry Palettes. I don't know if this is a limited edition palette or if it's here to stay. I really hope it's here to stay because it is like everyone's purple, pink, burgundy type of dream palette. This one retails for $35. I didn't even put this like 2 and 2 together. I am such an airhead. So this palette contains 39 eyeshadows, hence the 39S name to the palette. Now, as you can see, these colors are super rich. They're very pink, very mauvey, very purpley. What I also like is that it comes with a little plastic thing that has the names. I actually just put a little bit of tape on the middle of mine. That way I can let you guys know what names I am using. But we have shimmering colors, we have matte colors, we have like the pearl satin, we have a silk finish, and then we also have just this one that I can see that is a glittery finish. So this palette did not come to play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig into this shade right here. This one is called Wine Knots, and it's this gorgeous deep wine color. And I'm just going to pack it on. Wow. Whoo! Mother load. I mean, I knew this palette was going to be amazing. I've tried not to look at any tutorials. I actually haven't seen any tutorials because I find myself that if I do watch other makeup looks and they start like picking out the bad things in the palette, you're like, ooh, you know, like that just kind of stays in your head. And when you go in and try it, like those things stand out to you versus if you just play with the makeup on your own and you can come up with your own conclusion / opinion, whatever it is. I'm going to take my Morphe M514 and I'm going to blend that into the upper crease, just like blend it upwards a little bit. Now you guys know that even though like I genuinely like Morphe regardless of what people think, and I am not affiliated with them, I don't get PR packages from them. I don't have a discount code. I just genuinely like the brand. I haven't tried every single little thing, but the things that I've tried, I honestly haven't been disappointed by their products. So you can count on me. I am being totally honest. Not that anybody else that receives PR packages isn't honest. That's just up to you guys to decide. But if you guys want to hear an opinion from somebody that doesn't have a relationship with Morphe, then you are in the right channel. Now that's nice and blended, I'm going to go back and I am going to pick up the shade Plums Up, which is this one right here. And I'm going to grab another Morphe brush. This is, oh, actually, this is the Pro Blending Brush by Beauty Junkies. And I'm only grabbing a little bit on the tip of the brush. And all I'm doing is really concentrating this on the lowest part of your crease. Just right here. And you want to try and intensify this color as much as you can. I'm going to take this little Makeup Forever palette that I have. It doesn't have a name. I'm just going to take this yellow, so just use whatever yellow you have. And I'm going to apply this right at the top. This yellow is so bomb. I'm sure you guys can find it like as a single eyeshadow if you guys wanted one. One more time, I'm going to go back with my e.l.f. concealer and we're just going to do a little cut crease action. I've done this a million times, so I'm just going to like speed up the process. But actually, I gotta pee first. Now that we have our crease nice and cut, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade right here. This one is in the shade Pearl Fiction, and it's the very top one, which is obviously a very pretty light yellow white pearl color. To try and finish off this look, I am again going into the palette and I am picking up the shade Berry Good, which is this pink right here. Gorgeous, like hot pink, but it's not like a neon pink. And I'm going to add that to the third of the eye. I don't know, I'm really bad at math. So again, I'm going to take that color and I'm actually just going to pack it on right here. And wow, Pigment City, which totally expected that. Just like that. And then one more time, I'm going to go back into my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to grab Wine Knot and Plums Up and just blend all those colors together. This is the reason why I don't really like to set my eyeshadows with anything anymore, because they start getting a little bit patchy and then the colors don't blend with each other. So yeah, that's why I like to just keep my base a little bit wet, because seriously it blends so much easier. Okay, so here is the look. I think I did a pretty good job at like blending everything. So now I'm just going to pop on some lashes, finish the lower lash line, and that'll be the end of the video. I mean, I don't think I have to tell you guys. I'm pretty sure you can see for yourself that this palette is bomb.com. I am living for the purples, the burgundies. It is just a stunning palette. So I will be back in just 1 second. Okay, you guys, and this is my final look. I am so proud of myself. I think I did a pretty damn good job. And I mean, we didn't use every single color in this eyeshadow palette, but if you guys want to see more makeup looks with the new Morphe What a Gem eyeshadow palette, Please let me know, because there is so many looks. Like, you can do more purples, you can do a little bit of like neutrals. There's just so many possibilities. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In my humble opinion, I think this palette is totally worth your money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!